Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I thought we would do a quick fun little haul, and one of you guys actually requested this on Instagram and I was like, yes, I want to do a haul. First off, please excuse my makeup. It's been on this face for, oh, I don't know, about 12 hours. No, has it been 12 hours? 9 or 10 hours. Yeah, it's been like 10 hours. So yeah, it's looking a little worse for wear, then that's why. I mainly have one big old TJ Maxx bag, but I thought I would show you 3 candles that I just picked up from Bath & Body Works. That is the last thing that I needed, but honestly, there was a 10 off 30 coupon and candles were $10 off, and I was like, let me go in and smell, and I fell in love with 2 new ones. But first I picked up another one of the almond ones. This one is so amazing. This one reminds me of my aunt and uncle's house. Something about it, I swear their house just smelled like this. I love this scent of almond. It's like simple, it's sweet, but it feels so cozy and homey, but it feels like a year-round scent, whereas a lot of like cozier scents to me feel very winter-like. This one I feel like I could use all year round. I actually have one of these in a gorgeous packaging and I started burning it, but I was like, oh my god, I love this packaging and I'm gonna burn through this really quick. Hence why we got this one. This one's cute too, but I really love the other packaging and I already started burning this one too. Ugh, I love it so much. So this one's one that I'm going to probably burn through quickly and I'll be going back for another backup. They also had some of the new packaging that I think is so pretty. I would love to have like a kitchen in this theme. This one is pineapple crumb cake. Again, gorgeous packaging, but the scent of this is so good. Oh my god, it's like pineapple, but it's sweet, and there's like a hint of, I don't know, it doesn't really, maybe a hint of cinnamon or nutmeg. Let's see what it says. It says golden pineapple, rich pound cake, and sweet brown butter. To me it smells like a rich pastry with like just a tiniest little hint of cinnamon and then pineapple. That smells so freaking good. I can't get over it. And then I also got the white caramel cold brew. I love that this has little coffees on it. It's such a cute little touch. You definitely smell the sweetness and the caramel, but it smells like coffee, but it's not like one of those strong overpowering coffee scents. It's just like coffee and caramel and sweetness, and it's light. So this one is cold brew coffee, vanilla sweet cream, and warm caramel drizzle. Oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, so those are my 3 candles, and now we are going to jump into my big old bag of the TJ Maxx goodies. So first I picked up a box of the Mitamo Rice Leaven Essence Masks. So I've been using their other masks. I haven't picked up this particular one before, but it was $4.99 and I think there's 6 masks in here. Uh-oh. I think I'm missing, I only have 4, so I'm pretty sure that these were just taken out because I haven't used any of these yet. I don't think. But anyway, so it's the Rice Leaven Essence Mask, and this is by Mitamo. It's the Aruru Rice Leaven Essence Mask. So I have found a lot of these, the ones that have like the beautiful geisha looking ladies on the front of them. Those are amazing, so I just wanted to try these out as well, and those have been like my favorite sheet masks lately. Something about that essence just sinks into the skin. It feels so amazing, and it's a great like start to your skincare routine. I also saw this. It's the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Soothing Bath Powder. It has colloidal oatmeal and a rice bran in it. So it's like a bath powder. I'm hoping that this will be a really good, maybe kind of turn it a little milky frothy. I don't know, we're gonna see. But this was actually on clearance for $4.50. It says to just pour a handful into warm bath powder and stir until powder is well distributed. So I feel like I would probably go crazy and use more than a handful because I got little hands. But it says this is no parabens, phthalates, propylene glycol, mineral oil, sulfates, and no animal testing. So that's amazing. This is organic and natural with fair trade ingredients. So this next thing I thought was a really cute steal. So first off, I didn't realize that loofahs were like a plant, and so I was really intrigued with that. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, loofahs. And I know it's actually pronounced like loofah, I think, but it's got some loofahs in it. So this glass container actually came with these sponges and loofahs inside. It's sea sponge and loofahs. And this was only $12.99, and it's like a big hefty container too. I love glass canisters like this. I feel like this would be so gorgeous in the bathroom. So once you like take that off, isn't that cute? Like bath bombs, sponges, whatever you want to throw in in there. I always wanted to put like little mini skincare things in like my guest bathroom or something. So yeah, $12.99. I thought that was a really cute item to find. These are the Beauty Concepts makeup removing wipes and the vanilla almond ones. I got this because I really love the little donut packaging. So these, I don't really use these on my face. I use them more for when I'm like doing swatches, or if I'm doing like a lip swatch video or something, and I'm always like cleaning my hands when I'm doing makeup. I'm kind of weird about it, to be honest. So these are only $3.99. Sometimes I find them for $2.99, but really affordable. 60 in here, so these last me for a while. I always just keep one on my vanity. I also found two Too Faced lip injection glossies. So I got the shade Milkshake and Babe Alert. These are relatively new. I mean, they're not like brand new by any means, but it's not like a super old product, because I think they came out with these, I can't remember which collection, maybe like the Natural Love, I don't know. That has been a while. Ugh. Anyway, so I did check these in the store because I'm obviously gonna check them. I'm just weird about that. So these are the two colors. And I really like the lip injection. I do feel like it just gives more of an intense tingle. Some lip plumpers honestly plump my lips a little bit better, but I love that tingle and the feel of it. And I do feel like overall they give a little plumping. So there's Milkshake and Babe Alert. Oh, here's another one of the masks I was talking about. So these boxes are $7.99. This is also Mitamo. This one is Camellia Flower Oil and Matcha Essence. And I think these come with 10, but now I'm curious, like, are there 10 masks in here? So this has all 10. But again, the essences, I don't know, they just feel so nice, and I love the way my skin feels and looks afterwards. I got this sports bra from Reebok. I thought the back little strap was really cute. So it's just like a gray, and then the back has this double crisscrossing kind of detail. This was only $12.99 by Reebok, and it's a medium support training sports bra. So I feel like when I'm doing some cardio, doing a little bit of weights, a little toning and stuff, this will be perfect for the gym. Okay, I also got this thing, and I was like, okay, I don't need this. Does it do anything? I don't know. This is by Touch Beauty, and this is the Contour Sculpting Roller. I got the silver one. Oh wow, it comes with like a velvet pouch and a little cleansing wipe and everything. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, it's kind of weird, but it's one of those things where you do like a little massage. Oh, okay, I'm gonna try this tonight. I just got makeup all over it. What am I doing? Ooh. But we're gonna try this guy out. Is this like a name brand? Like, I feel like when I looked at it, I was like, ooh, I've heard of that before. It feels like weighty. What does this look like? I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna do a little rolling and see what happens. This was marked down to only $8. So that's why I got it. I felt like, oh, it's $8. I'll give it a shot. I think I got another lip injection glossy on a different trip, because I definitely didn't buy all three at once. So this is the shade Let's Flamingo. I think it's really cute. It's like this corally pink. Ooh. So there's Let's Flamingo. I do feel like those are just perfect for summertime. Just throw on a little glossy plumpy lip, you're good to go. So I got another one of these. This is the Lazy and Easy All-in-One Master. I got one of these previously, but I got this one for somebody else. I don't think she watches my videos, so no big deal. But this one's the one that's like a ceramide. It's a really lightweight hydrator. And again, it's so freaking cute. I'm not gonna take the lid off or pump it, but that's what it looks like. It's the Gudetama. It's so funny. So yeah, I got one of these. I actually really like it as like a first step after like toning and essence, because it's really hydrating, and then you can go in with your other products. I also got this. This is the Algenist Hydrating Essence Toner. So this was only $12.99, and it's something that we actually sell. I actually looked up the batch code on this to make sure it wasn't like super old. But yeah, here's what it looks like. That's a Hydrating Essence Toner. So like I said, I've been loving the essences in the mask, so hopefully that'll be nice to balance the pH and do the little essence at the same time. Okay, so I found the BH Cosmetics Shan XO The Remix. So I've been watching her videos a lot, and I just love her. She's so cute, and I had never actually seen this palette in person, so I took them out obviously to check them, make sure they weren't swatched or used, and I didn't realize that it like flipped over, but I got two of these, so one of these will be going in a giveaway. I'm gonna figure out how to do giveaways now because I can't use Gleam anymore. I know some of you guys will probably be glad of that, but I'm not gonna do a giveaway just yet, but be sure to turn on notifications because I am gonna put one of these in a giveaway very soon. soon. So here's what it looks like. These are only $6.99. That's crazy. And I believe she said in one of her videos that this one's like going to go away, but you can still get it at Ulta. So I thought that was pretty cool that it's like a current product. But here is one side. See, I thought that it was just like one palette, right? But you actually open it up again. And then you've got all the, okay, I opened the right one. I knew there was one that was like a little powdery. I checked them both, but I wanted to keep this one for myself and give you guys the one that was a bit cleaner. So you've got some really gorgeous like wearable neutrals. And then on the other side, you've still got some neutrals, but you've got these beautiful pops of color right here. And BH Cosmetics, to me, never disappoints in the fact that she helped pick out these colors. I think it's going to be amazing. So yeah, I've got one for me and then one for you guys, and hopefully you don't already have it. But I figured that would be nice to get before it's gone. All right, the last thing I picked up, you can also still get these on their website. So I was kind of like, ooh, I'm shocked. But I got some of the MAC Dazzle Glass. I got 4 shades of those. These were $7.99, so they were a little pricey. That's just the boxes. So first I want to show you like the little assortment that I got. So a little corally, little golden pink, and then I love this interesting color down here. But I am going to swatch them for you. So this first one is called Jingle Jangle. That reminds me of Riverdale. If you guys watch, then you probably get that reference. But so pretty. I love the sparkle in these, but it's not like a thick gritty sparkle. I love that about these. And when I saw that you could still get these on their website and they're like current products for $18, I was like, okay, well, let me get some. Okay, so my camera decided to like quit filming or something, so I went ahead and swatched these just in case my camera was getting too hot. So I've got 3 more colors. So I've got Dress to Dazzle, Prancin' Dancin', and Baby Sparks. So those are in order, going from the second one here to the bottom. So Dress to Dazzle's right here. It's looking more like a clear hint of nude, but it's got a really gorgeous sparkle to it. The more bronzy looking one is Prancin' Dancin', and then Baby Sparks is that bottom one that is the pink. Ooh, but I can't wait to wear these. As you can see, I'm definitely in a glossy mood. For warmer weather, for some reason, I want glossy, even though I should probably get something that's going to stay on in the humidity of Alabama. But, you know, the heart wants what it wants, and, you know, we just go with it. So that was everything in my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely will be doing more hauls very soon. So let me know where you want to see me shop and do a little haul for you. I hope you enjoyed seeing things. Let me know what product you found the most interesting or that you would pick up yourself, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, and I love you guys. Bye. I almost forgot our dad joke of the day again, so let's get back into it. It's time for dad joke of the day. Yeah. All right, so it says, Dad, I'm hungry. Hi, hungry. I'm Dad. It just gets dumber and dumber. So that's our dad joke of the day. Thank you again, and I will see you guys later. Bye.